Hello everyone and welcome back to AutoGPT Tutorials. Today we have an exciting topic for all the AI enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving into how you can use the incredible DALL E-3 for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. So if you've been eager to create some AI artwork without spending a dime, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. First way, using OpenAI's or DALL E-3 official page. All right, for our first method, we'll be heading over to the official DALL E-3 page. Here's how you can do it. Open your browser and navigate to labs.openai.com. If you haven't already, sign up for an account. If you have one, simply log in. Once you're in, you'll notice that DALL E-3 generously provides you with 15 credits every month for free. That's right, 15 opportunities to create stunning AI artwork without any cost. Start experimenting and let your creativity flow. So you input your AI art prompt and create AI art. With those 15 credits, you can craft unique and mesmerizing pieces of art. Remember, these credits refresh every month, so make sure to utilize them. Second way, using Bing's creation page. Now, if you've exhausted your OpenAI credits or are just looking for another platform to test out DALL E-3, Bing has got you covered. Here's how. Head over to bing.com, create. Sign in with your Bing account. If you don't have one, it's quick and easy to set up. Once logged in, you'll be thrilled to know that Bing offers a whopping 100 credits per month for DALL E-3. That's a lot of AI artwork waiting to be created. So you input your AI art prompt and create AI art. Dive in and start crafting your masterpieces. With 100 credits, the possibilities are nearly endless. It's amazing to see platforms like Bing supporting the AI community with such generous offers. And there you have it, folks. 2 fantastic ways to use DALL E-3 for free. Whether you're a seasoned AI artist or just starting out, these methods ensure you can keep creating without breaking the bank. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to AutoGPT Tutorials for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious.